Hi, it's Michael from KORONA POS here today to talk to you about a great e-commerce solution and how to get it set up at your store. WooCommerce is a powerful and widely used WordPress plugin that transforms your website into a versatile and user-friendly e-commerce site. Developed to integrate with WordPress seamlessly, WooCommerce empowers businesses of all sizes to create and efficiently manage their e-commerce operations. And it's been popular. There are currently more than 6.5 million online stores using the plugin. WooCommerce offers a comprehensive solution for selling products online. Its flexibility, scalability, and robust feature set have made it popular for entrepreneurs and businesses seeking a successful online presence. So if you're interested in starting to sell through WooCommerce, check out the rest of this video to learn how to set up the system and integrate it with KORONA POS. At the very beginning, you'll need to have a domain. Select a memorable domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Choose a reliable hosting provider with good performance and support. Popular options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and WP Engine. Remember, your domain name is critical to your online address and digital identity. It's pivotal in establishing brand recognition and credibility, enabling customers to locate and remember the online store easily. A well-chosen domain name that aligns with the retailer's brand will enhance trust, make marketing efforts more effective, and contribute to a memorable and professional online shopping experience. As I mentioned before, WooCommerce only operates on WordPress, so your website must be a WordPress site. Because WooCommerce is so popular for e-commerce operations, most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation. After setting up your domain and hosting, access your control panel and install WordPress. Follow the instructions provided by your hosting provider. Next, you can access your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click Add New. Search for WooCommerce and install the official WooCommerce plugin. Once installed, activate the plugin. Upon activation, WooCommerce will guide you through the setup process with a wizard. It'll prompt you to configure basic settings such as location, currency, shipping, and tax options. Follow these steps to customize the settings according to your store's requirements. After following instructions from the setup wizard, select a WooCommerce compatible theme that suits your store's aesthetics and functionalities. You can choose from free or premium options in the WordPress theme repository or from third-party theme providers. Install and activate the chosen theme. Make sure your theme aligns with your brand. Consistency in design elements, color schemes, and typography helps build customer trust and recognition. A well-matched theme reinforces your brand's uniqueness and encourages deeper engagement and loyalty. Now you're ready to start adding products to your store. Go to the WooCommerce dashboard and click Products, then Add New. Provide product details such as title, description, price, images, and attributes. You can categorize and tag products to make them easier to find for your customers. Remember that providing accurate and thorough product descriptions is crucial. This practice will improve your SEO and lead to more fulfilling customer shopping experiences. You also need to accept payments. Set up payment gateways to allow customers to make purchases securely. WooCommerce supports various gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and credit card payments. Navigate to the WooCommerce settings, select the Payments tab, and configure your preferred payment methods. Shop around for the best rates that make sense for your business. Shipping methods also need to be defined for each of your products. WooCommerce offers options for flat rates, free shipping, and real-time calculations based on location. Configure shipping zones, methods, and rates under the WooCommerce settings. There's also a good amount of customization available. Edit and personalize essential store pages like the homepage, product pages, and checkout pages. WordPress page builders like Elementor and Gutenberg can help you design visually appealing pages without any coding knowledge. Again, maintain a brand theme on all of your landing pages. Consistency throughout the shopping process is vital for customer acquisition and retention. Since the service is on WordPress, there are many plugins available for retailers to enhance the store's functionality. Install tools for SEO optimization, security, analytics, and marketing, for instance. Consider plugins and platforms like Yoast SEO, Monster Insights, and MailChimp for WooCommerce. These retail software platforms will automate your day-to-day work and make your life as a retailer much more manageable. Despite it being a nuisance, all e-commerce businesses need some legal pages too. Create web pages like your privacy policy, terms and conditions, and return policy. These pages are critical for legal compliance and building trust with your customers. You can use online generators or AI as a starting point and then tailor the content to your store specifics. Read through the copy before you launch to be aware of all advertised policies. Larger operations must consult a lawyer or law firm for additional guidance here. Before launching, thoroughly test your store's functionality too. Make dummy purchases, try the checkout process, validate payment gateways, and ensure all links and buttons work correctly. A buggy or glitchy website is an easy way to lose customers. Ensure the site works exactly how you want it to before going live to the public. Continue to optimize your website's speed and performance. Compress images, enable caching, and minimize unnecessary plugins. A fast-loading website improves user experience and search engine rankings. After all that, you're ready to actually launch your WooCommerce store with everything in place and thoroughly tested. Announce your store's launch through social media, email newsletters, and other relevant channels. Announcing the launch of an online retailer requires a strategic approach to generate excitement and awareness. Consider crafting an engaging announcement email to your existing contacts to create a sense of anticipation among your audience. Build curiosity and encourage followers to spread the word through social media teasers, countdowns, and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Finally, leverage a well-designed landing page on your website with a captivating banner and precise launch date to attract visitors and encourage signups for early access or exclusive offers. You can easily create and manage custom promotions to drive more engagement after your opening. Even after you've finished your WooCommerce setup, remember that the work's not over quite yet. After the launch, consistently monitor your store's performance. Keep an eye on traffic, sales figures, and customer feedback. Regularly update plugins, themes, and WordPress to ensure security and performance. Regularly analyze sales data, customer behavior, and website analytics too. Use this information to make informed decisions about improving your store's design, products, and marketing strategies. Promote your store through various marketing strategies. Utilize social media, content marketing, email campaigns, and paid advertising to attract customers to your products. Offer exceptional customer support to build trust and loyalty. Promptly address customer inquiries, concerns, and issues to ensure a positive shopping experience. For both the setup of your WooCommerce store as well as the ongoing maintenance, it's worth noting that there are many affordable consulting services available for those who don't want to do it all on their own. Hiring consultants brings expertise in designing user-friendly interfaces, optimizing site performance, and integrating seamless payment gateways. This may be the way to go if you want enhanced security, emergency support, and faster site speed without dedicating too much time or labor. The best part is that these third-party services are really relatively affordable, even for the smallest vendors. Some of the more popular solutions are SiteCare, WP Buffs, GoWP, and FixRunner. In the end, integrating WooCommerce with your retail point-of-sale system is crucial for optimizing omnichannel retail. Seamless integration fosters real-time inventory synchronization, ensuring accurate product availability across both online and physical stores. The KORONA POS WooCommerce integration centralizes managing customer data, purchase history, and loyalty programs. The software provides valuable insights into sales, customer behavior, and trends. Take control of your business with data-driven decision-making for a more successful omnichannel approach. To learn more about KORONA POS's partnership with WooCommerce, click the link in the description. And for more retail advice, subscribe to our blog and channel. Thanks for watching.